Hello everyone, this is Srikanth. In LeetCode, we have different problems. In that, we have like easy problems also and some interesting problem also. Seeing that one more interesting problem, that is reverse number. So reverse number, actually it's very simple problem, but it has some conditions. Here added some conditions, and the problem number is 7. So we'll discuss the what is the problem, what is the main conditions we have, and what is your output and input like data types. Okay, and we'll write the Python code about this problem. Okay, done. Well, don't miss the video, watch up to end. Coming to problem statement. So your title is reverse integer. It's very simple, reverse integer, like a palindrome or reverse string or like a reverse characters or reverse list. But here he said reverse integer. Done. Already we discussed about one more problem, number palindrome, but same logic, but he had some conditions. Which conditions we have? So given signed, like we don't know that is a positive integer and negative integers. So we have like a 121 as well as 1 minus 123, like 120 also. Different inputs, like different digits. We have different numbers. Different numbers we have. Now we need to return what? If suppose your number is 123, you need to return reverse of that particular number. Reverse of that particular number. 123. Reverse means 321. Here minus 123. In general, reverse means we have 321 minus, right? But in this case, not minus. Here minus 123 we need to return. In the reverse means what? Reverse means like 321 minus. That is reverse. But in this case, you need to return as a number itself. Number means positive number or negative number. It's a negative number, right? Negative numbers means reverse the particular digits and give as a negative. That is your aim. That is the main condition. That is enough? No. He given one more small masala, like one more small condition. What is that condition? If suppose your number range, not like 231, your number range is 2 power 31. That is minus 2 power 31 to 2 like last digit. So like 2 power 31 plus. So in this range means you can return with the reverse. Otherwise beyond this range means return 0. So like different small condition. If suppose your number need to between this range, otherwise return 0. Done. This is a small condition he added. So we'll discuss one by one now. So first thing is he given one digit 123. So 123 is a number. He given the one particular number. Then your aim is you need to reverse. Reverse means 3, 2, 1. In the list, if suppose same number we have in the list means 1, 2, 3 means in the list means reverse means colon minus 1. We have 3, 2, 1. It's very simple, right? Now coming to logic, what? He given the number, not list. Then which logic is better? Which logic is better means if suppose I have 123 is a number, then convert into string, right? Convert into string. String means what? Again 123 as a string, right? Now this 123 again reverse means what? Reverse means colon minus 1. We have the 321 as a string. Then convert into integer. Integer, your particular number means 321. See this. Using Python, like this LeetCode problems are very simple and easy compared to like different programming languages. See, what is your aim? Your aim is reverse the number. Reverse the number means 123 is a number. Then I am converting to string 123 as a string. Then I can travel. I can reverse also. Reverse means simple logic with like colon minus 1. You can reverse it. Done. Over. Then I have the again string. Convert into integer. It's a very simple process. But here small error we have. We have small error. What is that error? The first error is So we'll discuss in the particular code and do the step by step. So I want to open my LeetCode ideal platform. Suppose this is my ideal platform. I want to write the code for this particular, suppose x equal to 120. So this is my input. I want to write in class, suppose so this is my class. Then I want to write the method. Suppose on method name I want to write the function self with the x value, that is my function, one parameter. So I will call that function. In suppose on object name. So same thing, we need copy paste better. Which variable name you have, that is better. Then I have some objective. Then print it directly. Print director the particular x value, which function in the subject, which function we have. Fun is one function with the x parameter. This is a common to call my particular class and object. Class and method I called using the x parameter. Now in my class, x value is there. What is your aim? Reverse. If suppose I said without any condition, without any sign values, I want to go for the reverse. Means what? Reverse means I said your number or your string equal to convert into what? X is converted into string, right? String of x. Now just print it. Print your x. So here your input is 120, right? Here x equal to 120. You done with the s equal to string of x. So in the s we have 120 as a string. Now just cross check it. If you run, we'll get some idea. Yeah. So we have 120. It's a string, right? It is a string. Now, what is your aim? To reverse this one. Reverse means what is the logic? Your logic is colon -1, right? So colon -1 means we have s 021. Actually, your input is 120. Okay, reverse means what will get? 021, but 0 is no need to consider. We need to consider only 21. Number means no need to consider like 0, starting 0. So your output is 21, but here we have string, not number. It's a string. Then if suppose you are converting to integer, right? You want to convert into integer. So write int of particular reverse string. Now check it. What is your output? Yes, 21. We have the 21, but if suppose it's a -120, check it now. If suppose my x equal to -120, what is your output? Some error. So here some conditions we have. What is the condition? Now we'll cross check step by step. Now your aim is what? Your aim is x in the string is as a reverse. Now I want to have like small number. Once again, I have small number now. I don't want to print here. My suppose n equal to which string we have, I convert into particular number, right? Convert into particular number. So before that I want to consider what? Before that, if suppose the given number x equal to less than your value, that means negative value or positive value, right? We need to know the given number is a negative number or positive number. So for that, write small if condition. If x less than 0, x equal to less than 0. What is the meaning of that? So that is your negative number, right? So you can you can store the particular value as a negative number or positive number. Consider like a sign, one particular small function sign equal to you can consider like 0, otherwise any other number. Then convert into what? If suppose it's a negative number, positive number. So less than 0 means, so less than 0 compared to 0, it's a less. Less means a negative number. So your sign will be sign will be -1. Else your sign will be +1. See, why I'm doing this means simple logic. Why I'm doing means if suppose my sign, I consider the sign is a 0, no need to worry about that particular number. Now if suppose x, your x equal less than 0, so suppose my 120 is there, minus 120 is there. It's a negative number, positive number, negative number. So this condition is true. So your x less than 0. So less than 0. That means this condition is true. This condition is true means what is your sign value? So your sign will be minus 1. So store in particular place. Done. Now after that, after doing this process, all those things, your n equal to having 21. Am I right? Your n equal to having 21. Then into that sign. Sign means what? Minus 1. So what will you get? Minus 21 is your answer. So why this sign means to multiply which answer we have into that. So if suppose my answer is 21, I have a positive number. Already we've done with previous. We have a positive number, but I need negative number. Why means my number is a negative number. Then I need to store the particular value as a negative number. So I store like my sign equal negative. Then, but if I reverse means we have a minus 121. Some different value we have. Again, I can't convert into like integer. Then we'll take your s after converting. 1 second. After converting string. So before converting string, no need after. Before converting string, your x equal to abs of x. Again, what abs? So absolute value of your particular given number. If given number is negative number or positive number, we are converting to positive number. So what does this step means? So here, using this logic, I store my sign as a minus 1. Done. Up to that I done. But your x equal what? Minus 120. Then I convert it into 120. Then what? Convert into string 120 as a string. Then reverse it. Reverse. That means reverse means 0 to 1. Then convert into integer. So what is your n value now? Your n equal to 21. But output is not a 21. So then what do you do? So your sign. So your return n into sign. What is the n value? 21. Sign equal to minus 1. What is your answer? Minus 21 is your answer. Now check it now. So your aim is after this return your particular number into sign. Now check it now. Yes, minus 21. So we done all steps. Any other condition we miss? Yes, we have missed one more condition. That is which condition? So in the particular given statement, range given. What is the range? In 2 power, this is 2 power 31, minus 2 power 31 to 2 power plus 2 power 31 minus 1 value. Up to that range only you can give the you can give the like particular value. Otherwise written as a 0. So beyond this range, if suppose you given the range is 9 comma suppose 0 comma 10, suppose then minus 1 and 11, no need to consider. If you have the minus 1, 11 means return 0. But he given the what is the range? He given range is what? His range is 2 power 31 minus 2 power 31 comma 2 power 31 plus 2 power 31 minus 1. So which range we have? These values need to return some those reverse values, but remaining values return 0. This is the condition given. Now coming to our code, we need to add this condition into our code. Now here I have the n value now, right? Before going to like minus, I have the n value. I doesn't want to change that n value. N value is as it is. Now I want to compare that n value. If your n what equal to less than equal to. So this condition, if suppose n is greater than, so more than what? 2 power in power means here into 31, right? 2 power 31 and minus 1. 2 power 31 minus 1 value. So your particular, sir, why what about the minus values? Check it now. So this is my 1 second. Then return 0. So here what is your a means why this is. So I have x value, right? If suppose my x value is minus 2 power 31 plus some value, some 5 value, so different value. Now this value is given the x. Now coming to this case, if you want to write here, you can write the condition, no need to worry about that, but I'm in the process, I'm doing the condition. Now here sign will be -1. This is a minus value, so -1 is your sign. Coming to here, I'm converting to what? Plus value. Remember this, I'm converting to plus value. Then again what? Again your ABS, I'm converting to ABS, then converting to string, then again reverse. Reverse means we have same numbers as a reverse. Now that value, which value we have, that is, I don't bother about the negative or positive, only I compare with the positive itself. Why means I consider it as a negative before, then it's a positive number, then why again? Then no need. No need to compare again. So this is the value. So only positive value to compare. Now this value is more than this. More than this means return 0. Otherwise, return what you have. So this is the logic. That's the condition. Simple condition. Which condition means the value is more than the particular positive value. I don't bother with negative value. Negative value means I convert into as a positive value. Done. So using that logic, we have our output. Right? So same thing you write in your particular LeetCode platform and get your answer. Okay. If any queries, remember this, if you have any queries on this particular problem, so problem number 7, if you have any queries, just comment me in comment box. If you have another logic also, so don't forget to comment me. Okay. Thank you for watching my videos.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.